Look.
You reach here. Look. You reach here. After that, 1 plus tan A, we can write sin A by cos A. Then cot A, cos A by sin A. Okay. Then after that, LCM is cos A sin A. It's going to here. Sin square A plus cos square A. So that is 1 plus 1 by cos A into sin A. 1 plus 1 by cos A ck. 1 by sin A cos ck. Finish.
Now clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, copy first. If you have doubt, tell me this one. It's a very important question for your reader question. Safilya, is it clear or not? Okay. Asma, your school, which chapter going on now? Trigonometry means same chapter, right? Okay. Okay. Introduction means introduction you did here, no? Same chapter only. Trigonometry part only introduction. Okay. So next, right. Next one. Finish all. Hello, finish or not? Abir, is it okay? Okay, so next one, right? If x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta, x sine cube theta, if x sine cube theta, if x sine cube theta, x sine cube theta into, sorry, x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta cos theta equal to sin theta cos theta. X sin cube theta, x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Then second one, x sin theta equal to y cos theta. Okay. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay. Listen, x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Okay. X sin theta equal to, yeah, you can try. X sin theta equal to y cos theta. Prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. I'll give a hint. You find out x what? You find out y. Just like a linear equation, two variables. Then squaring, you will get it. Okay, fine. Okay. You got it? Okay. So how okay, my plan is, look at here, my plan may be different. Okay. I'm just solving. Look, x minus sine theta equal to 0. Okay. My plan is, look, the second equation I wrote, x sine theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Here y cos cube theta, here y cos theta. This, so then second equation multiplied by cos square theta. X sine theta cos square theta minus y cos cube theta equal to 0. This is number 1, number 2. Then 1 plus 2. X sine theta outside. Balance sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. This is 1. X sine theta equal to sine theta cos theta. X equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta. Then go to here. X equal to cos theta into sine theta equal to y cos theta. So y cancel, y equal to sine theta. So we got x equal to cos theta, y equal to sine theta. So x square plus y square is what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Is it okay, Verona? And how you did this way? Okay. So copy then. I'll show you another method also I have. Okay. Okay. Try. Understood now what I did? X sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. That is equation number 1. Okay. Now I need, look. Okay. First equation, x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. First equation. Second equation is given, x sine theta equal to y cos theta. It was x sine theta equal to y cos theta. What I did, x sine theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Okay. And just like a linear equation, 2 variables, we are going to find x. So make it the coefficient of y. Here y cos cube theta, here y cos theta. So multiply here cos square theta. So x sine theta cos square theta, y cos cube theta equal to 0. Number 1, number 2, add. So adding x sine cube theta. Look, when we add, we get like this. Look, x sine cube theta plus x sine theta cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. So common x sine theta. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. This is 1. X sine theta equal to sine theta cos theta. Sine theta cancel, x equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta. X equal to cos theta in the given is what? X sine theta equal to y cos theta. So x is cos theta. Cos theta sine theta equal to y cos theta. Y equal to sine theta. Okay. After that, what? X square plus y square cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Now I need. Now clear? Okay. If you want, I'll show another method. Means, you know, x sine theta I'll change to x sine square theta, x sine theta into sine theta. That way also we can do it. Okay, anyway, this is okay now, then no need to change it. Which first method? Hello, Fresner. Which method? This one, no? Hello, Fresner. What is the first method is what? Hey, I didn't show anything. I did this method only, no? I didn't. No, I told you I have another method. That is this way. Look, I think that is not easy. Look, my plan. Okay, this is the one. X sine theta equal to y cos theta. I wrote like this: x sine theta into sine square theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. X sine cube theta, I wrote x sine theta into sine square theta. Okay, now x sine theta is what? Y cos theta. Y cos theta into sine square theta plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. What is the common here? Y cos theta outside. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to sine theta cos theta. This is one. Cos theta cancel. Y equal to sine theta. This is the one. This is the one I told you. Okay. Not with.
So likewise, we can also do we are anyways. So we have split it like x sine theta into sine square theta plus.
Yeah.
We can also write it as y cos theta into cos square theta, right? Then
we can do that. Y cos theta into cos square theta. That also no problem.
Yes,
It's up
yes,
to you.
yes. Then we
Okay.
can substitute with the x sine.
Okay. It's clear now. Any method you can do it. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
anyway, the question is a star question. That's why I'm telling you. Okay. So you can use any method. Okay. So next one. Okay. What do you call Fresner, clear or not? Okay, so next one. Okay, so next one, right? Cosec theta minus sin theta. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. 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 Sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Prove that L square M square. Prove that L square M square. Prove that L square M square into L square M square plus 3 equal to. Okay. Okay, look at here. Question is cosec theta minus sin theta. Cosec theta minus cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Look, cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Prove that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to I don't have the question. So after proving we can find out. Okay. I missed that question, RHS part. Yeah, it is 1 equal to 1. Okay. Look at here. Question is what? Question is, once again, question. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to L. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to M. Prove that L square M square into L square plus M square plus 3 equal to 1. Okay. Okay. You want to try? I'll give a hint. You try, because we did almost now 45 question over. So try now. I'll give a hint. Simplify and find out the L. Yeah, simplify and find the L. That means L equal to cosec theta minus sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. That is cos square theta by sin theta. This is the simplified form of L. Look at here. L equal to cosec theta minus sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta by sin theta. Similarly, simplify M. Then find L square. Find M square. Do it now. This is the hint. Okay. Okay. Getting?
Just a second, sir. I'm doing.
Okay. I'll wait time. Okay. So you have one more class for this chapter. Okay. So you have time. Okay. You can extend also, no problem. Okay. And you are getting or not?
Sir, I'm getting, sir. This is the last step. I get. I'm
Okay.
sure. I'm Sir, I got it, sir. I got it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Look at here now.
Wait,
Okay.
sir, could you wait?
Okay. I'll wait. Okay. So now look at here now. Okay, we got, I hope everybody finished L. Okay, similarly, we can write M. M equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. Okay, I hope everyone finished what is L and M. Okay, so we got this. Okay, now we are going to the question. Look at here. Okay, look. L square, come on. L square is cos raised to 4 theta by sin square theta. M square, sin raised to 4 theta by cos square theta into again cos raised to 4 theta by sin square theta plus sin raised to 4 theta by cos square theta plus 3. Okay, now look, this is cancel 2. Cancel here 2. So what? Cos square theta into sin square theta into here LCM is sin square theta into cos square theta. It's going to here. Cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is cancelled. Okay. You remember now what is cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta? What is that? No. Cos raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta. We did. I gave you the star one. I think our test
1
answer is
minus
question.
3 cos square
Yeah.
theta
This is what 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Cancel
Yes,
answer
sir,
is
so cancelled.
1. I think I gave a test this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Our test question. Let me see the test question. Yes, our test question. Look, I gave you now. Look, can see now, right? Okay. So that you have to listen. In case you have to work out that and post it. It's not by heart. It okay. Safilya, you understood that part? Cos raised to 6 theta plus sin to 6 theta. We can write 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. You did attend that part, right or not? Hello, Safilya. Yeah, but you know that how to find that. Because here you have to substitute that sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta. You have to write that. Look, sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta. We can write what? Sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Okay, you know that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the symbol. Okay, look, listen. Yeah, a cube. Listen, Freshner. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So what? A sin square theta plus
cos square theta into whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that means what? 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, Safila, clear or not? Okay. So I hope that's all finished now. Okay. So now next question. No. Okay, next one. Okay, similar one question. Try. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to m. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to m. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to n. Prove that m square n whole raised to 2 by 3 plus n square whole raised to 2 by 3 equal to 1. Okay. Question again. Cosec theta minus sin theta. Cosec theta minus sin theta equal to m. Sec theta minus cos theta equal to n. Prove that m square into n whole raised to 2 by 3 plus n square into 2 by 3 equal to 1. Okay. What we'll do now? Listen. You simply like previous question, you simplify m and n and substitute here, you will get it. Try now. Okay. Everyone try first.
I got the answers.
Okay. Wait. Let's finish all. Yeah, getting or not?
Okay, I'll wait. Okay, others, you got? Okay, look at here now. Just not getting. Look here, m equal to, hello, listen. M equal to cosec theta minus sine theta. That is 1 by sine theta minus sine theta. So 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta equal to cos square theta by sine theta. This is only last question we did. Okay, n equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Sine square theta by cos theta. We got m and n. Okay, now look at here. So now our requirement is m square n. Look at here now. M square n cos raised to 4 theta divided by n square. Sine sorry, m square means cos raised to 4 theta by sine square theta into n sine square theta divided by into cos theta whole raised to 2 by 3 plus m cos square theta by sine theta into n square sine raised to 4 theta by cos square theta whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay. Now, look, we can cancel cos theta, this one, cos cube theta, this is cancel full, raised to 2 by 3 plus, this is full cancel, this is sine cube theta raised to 2 by 3. 3 cancel. Cos square theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Okay. We all got this, we only know, you did, right? Okay. So copy fast then. That's not getting, check first. Okay, these are all good questions. Okay. Okay, so next question. Next one, very important question. Okay. Finish all. Wednesday we'll finish this chapter. So Saturday I'll do another chapter. Okay. GIS, where you reach now? No, just started. Okay, okay. 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 No problem. We'll finish application also because we have time. We have till July 15 now. So we have class. Okay, so we'll finish it. Okay, so next one, right? Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Okay. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, look at here now. This one I'll show you. Hello, look. Look, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, my plan is instead of 1, okay, can you write in terms of tan and sec? Instead of 1, anything is tan and sec? Hello, what is that? Navaneet. Instead of 1, we can write what? In terms of sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Okay, listen here. Tan theta plus sec theta minus.
We can write it as
Sec square theta minus
yes,
tan
sir.
square theta
Sec square theta minus tan square theta.
divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Is DPS which chapter going on now? You finished the trigger?
Sir, we are almost about to complete the applications of trigonometry, sir.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. We have time, man. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Let's finish this nicely. Then I'll start. Okay. Application simple, actually. Right or not? Application maybe around 50 questions only. Okay. No problem. That is, if you know introduction, it will be easy for you. Okay. Okay. Tan theta plus sec theta. Instead of 1, we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. After that,
tan theta plus sec theta minus this one sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta divided by same, no change. Okay. What is the common here? Tan theta plus sec theta common. Okay. Can you write up to here? Hello. Write up to here. Okay. Okay. Hello. What I did here. We did instead of 1, we did 6 cot theta minus tan square theta. 6 cot theta minus tan square theta, we can write sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. Now, we don't want the question. Okay. Look. Here, this is a common. This is a common, here common. I took outside tan theta plus sec theta outside. Balance what? 1 minus, look at here. Hey, hello, careful here. 1 minus this one outside. Inside sec theta minus tan theta. When you open that what? Minus sec theta plus tan theta divided by, that is the denominator. Tan theta, okay. This is clear or not? I took tan theta plus sec theta outside, that is 1 minus of sec theta minus tan theta. That become minus sec theta plus tan theta. Is it okay or not? If you want, I can write one more step, if not getting. Hello. Is it okay or not? Okay, then I'll write one more step. Look at here. So instead of that, here tan theta plus sec theta, okay, outside, that is 1 minus of sec theta minus tan theta divided by same denominator. I took from here, this is gone, minus of sec theta minus tan theta. That's why I wrote one more line. Okay. So that next line, you already finished this part, right? Okay. So tan theta plus sec theta into 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta divided by same denominator, cancel. Balance what? Tan theta plus sec theta. Tan theta plus sec theta. That is sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. So that is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So Wednesday, I'll finish this. Wednesday, I think Wednesday I'll start the new chapter then better. Okay. This DPS, sorry, GI, Bhavans, you need my help for that coordinate geometry. First exercise, simple no. Otherwise, I'll start application. Okay. Okay, Asha, here or not? No, it is starts. Okay, okay. Oh, then okay. Your class not started. Okay.
Okay. No, Viveka, that part is not coming for test. Okay. So there is no issue. 1 and 2 is okay. This is finished or not? Okay. So next. Okay, Nia, don't worry. I'll do that. Okay. Okay. So next question. Because I think 2 weeks over now for this identity part. Next one. Cot A plus cosecant cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 equal to 1 plus cos A by sin A. Okay, same type. Okay, same type. Instead of 1, you can change in terms of cot and cosec. You try this one. Okay. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, this one I'm not explaining this one. You can try instead of 1 equal to cosine square theta minus cosine square A minus cot square A, right or not? Correct or not? Instead of 1, you can write cosine square A minus cot square. That's all step is same. Okay, next one you write. Sin A minus sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Hello, what is the question number now? What is the question number? 48. Okay. Hey, network issue, some problem. Okay, we'll change the net. Okay. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A equal to tan A. Sin A minus, hello, listen. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A equal to tan A. Equal to tan A. Okay, try now. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A equal to tan A. Okay. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A equal to tan A. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, what do you write? You can write sin A outside. 1 minus 2 sin square A divided by cos A outside 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. So already answer here, sin A by cos A tan A. Okay, now what you will do? Either change this sign or this cos. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. Tan A into 1 minus 2 minus plus 2
cos square A divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. Tan A into 2 cos square A minus 1 by 2 cos square A minus 1. Answer is tan A. So copy first. Okay, finish first. Okay, so one more question. Sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, try now. Finish. It's quite simple, but
Yes, sir.
this answer, ready-made answer. Okay, what ready-made? Sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. That is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. I don't know. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay. This is what 1. 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Cancel equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Today I'll send you that 39 star questions. You can make sure each questions. Okay. Most of them we did. So remaining question you can make sure that is a guaranteed questions. Okay. Okay, this is enough. Next class I'll start application of trigonometry. Okay.